Hello everyone, welcome to the course Spring Boot Quick Start. This tutorial assumes no previous knowledge on Spring Boot. So let's get started. We can use programming languages such as Java or Kotlin or Groovy to develop Spring Boot applications. In this series, we will be using Java as the programming language. We will use OpenJDK 21 for this. Maven will be used as build tool. We will use 3.9.6 version of Apache Maven, which is currently the latest version of Maven. Spring Boot version 3.2.0 will be used. It is the current stable version of Spring Boot as of today. To write and debug the code, we will use Eclipse. Postman will be used for API testing purpose. So, these are the list of tools and softwares which will be used in our tutorial series. In the upcoming video, we will install OpenJDK 21 on Windows. That's it for this video. Thank you.